Okay, starting the day with braided line. So what are we doing there?
Okay, let
Do
me
you know what
get
you're
her.
doing?
Well, I've done quite a few of these in the day, actually.
So you're putting the fitting on the end,
Yeah.
and step one is to get the hose into the collar.
Right. And once you've got the hose,
And some of them are threaded and kind of twist in. Some of them are smooth in there, and you got to kind of clean some of this off to get it in, but you want to get it in far enough.
yes,
You got it in there.
yes.
And then this piece here,
It's got a taper on it.
it's got a barb on it, or tapered
Taper deal that goes into the hose part, and then you just tighten it down and it wedges in there
and
and
it screws it in.
locks it down.
It's tight. And then it's obviously this will spin, so you can just put it on.
Yep.
You've got these two pieces made. This is for
The fuel line on Eredacator.
on Eredacator. So I'm gonna try to get a hold of Joe right now because he supplied the fuel line,
Right,
and we're short a little bit of return.
right.
And a
We've
couple
got
of
like
fittings.
a number 10 on the fuel line, and then it gets like a number 8 return line, and we're short.
Okay, give me a good list of everything you think we're gonna need for fittings,
Okay.
so that we can get everything here. And when next time we do it, we'll work on it today till we can get it done.
Right.
You know what we got,
Right.
and then next time we're on it,
Yes.
call it done.
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 I love it.
Well, I've spent most of my day wandering around looking for parts. I see you're out of the glass or the upholstery shop.
Yeah, leave me alone.
Leave you alone?
No.
You doing wiring?
Yeah.
That's a warning for everybody that sees Eddie at the Frog Follies, because he can't wait to go. Careful, he does bite. It's more than just a growl and a bark. It's like, in fact, maybe a snarl and a bite.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, Mike Young wants, or Mike Blue Bayou wants one of these.
Oh, one of these backup
Yeah,
stuff?
a backup light thing.
I'll tell you what, that little bitty window is probably a good idea.
Yeah,
You know?
so we'll have to figure that out.
Yeah. Well, I figured that one out.
Oh, we got the steering column in.
Yeah.
Man, you're after it.
Yeah.
So I did bring it up here, so we can, well, I might as well wait and put the wheel in.
Yeah. Hand me a part and I'll be slapping it on there,
Yep.
one way or the other.
So get those figured out. You kind of figured out where the hoses are going to go for the AC.
Yeah.
I need to get you some bulkheads. Do we
Yeah,
want
I
a
think
straight
we-
one or a
Oh,
one
no.
rectangle?
Look at this. I think a straight one would fit across here.
Put it right there.
You know, it'd be the heater hoses and the air conditioner hoses.
Mhm. Where are you going to put the dryer?
Well, about the only place after that is put the dryer here, bring the hose out here, and then the hose on. I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to put nothing up here if I can help it.
No. Is there? I don't know. That's kind of.
All because of this little B motor.
So I need to go find a grill. I need to go look and see if we get a hood on this thing.
Well, with that,
Here we need to do this. I need to. I need to get me a new hat. They sent me a bunch of them.
yeah.
So, and I need to find the Napa guy's number. So Napa guy, I can't remember your name even. I think it was maybe Chris. Call us back. Send us another thing. I need to paint that Frog Folly car. But that's in August, coming up. So
It'll come up quick.
it's coming up quick. Big time
Ain't you
quick.
boys gonna have fun?
You want to go, Eddie?
No, I'm not.
Oh, Eddie wants to go.
I've been to Indiana twice. That's
We're gonna have to get a car hauler that hauls about 6 or 7 cars to get all his cars there, so we can park them in the parking lot. Do you even have anything that's pre 49?
not anymore. No.
So
Oldest I got is 55 Chevy.
it's pre 49. Got to be pre 49.
Yeah.
So
I sold the last rat rod. It was a 40.
what's Gibby doing?
Getting ready to do that tank, I think.
Do the tank.
Coat the inside of the tank.
Okay, that'd be
with
good.
that
Then you can mount it,
Yes.
and then we can start coming forward.
Yes. I got a list of what fuel line.
Oh,
stuff
look
I
at
need.
that. Oh, it's fancy.
See, I decorated.
Oh,
the
man, it
top,
looks like a
huh?
radiator.
I'm
What?
an artist, aren't I?
You're an artist. Look at that. Oh, the Eredacator. How classy. So there it is. I like it. Lug nuts, screw caliper, blah, 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 da, 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 da. Okay, I better
That's
get
strictly
busy.
fuel system down here.
Oh, okay, so I need all of that. So,
Yes. That should finish the fuel system up 100%. Well, it is.
when you say number 1090, what does that mean?
Okay, it's for dash 10 hose, and it's 10.
Hose on both sides.
No, it's NP.
Pipe thread on one.
No, it's not pipe
NPT
thread. It's
NPT or whatever, MTP or whatever on one side.
yeah, it's flare or whatever.
Oh, flare. Okay.
Yeah, it's flare on one side, hose number 10 on the other side.
For the 90. Oh,
Yes.
so that's for the gas
Yes.
coming out the.
Yes,
front
that'll
loader.
come out the tank.
Mhm.
This will come out the. This will go into the tank. That's half MPT male to number 10 male.
Okay.
Whatever that the initials are for it, M something or N something. Then we need a 90 off the tank. That's gonna run back this way too.
I'm here looking at stuff. I ain't got a clue. What the heck we need? Send me some of these. Give me a bunch of these. There's what we need. If somebody understands what that is. Oh, you got some Greek in your background there?
German.
You're giving me the Greek.
Yeah.
Why are you talking Greek to me?
Yeah. But anyways, this is what it is. See how it's that in a 90 form.
Okay.
And then we need a number 8 in a 45 like this.
Okay.
That's for the return. We need the line. Greek.
Well, I think I better just order that. I haven't been able to get a hold of Joe, so I don't know where he's at. So anyway, I'll go find out if it gets a hood. Hopefully it doesn't. But
Yeah.
if it does, we're gonna have to cut a big hole in the middle of it.
Big hole.
Wouldn't be the first time though, would it?
Yeah.
All right.
That's cool. Well, look at the stacks on that one. That one's got 2 of them.
Okay, we need to figure out what we're doing headlights too.
We got headlights. We have no stands.
Yeah, we
Okay.
don't know what to do.
We don't know what stands he wants and where he actually.
All right.
That's on the board too. But we got all kind of headlights.
All right, and then we've already fitted. Surely we've already fitted the steering column.
We're gonna have to have a carrier.
Need a carrier.
Yeah.
I got a couple already,
Okay.
so I'll get you
So I have
that.
to make a mount. And I need 3 U joints and one that'll fit this rack and pinion. The ones we got are too big. It won't fit the splines on this.
Okay, that's like a Mustang
Yeah.
2 rack.
Yep.
All right. So then we'll have steering down. I still haven't got the window in. I'm gonna put the glass in before you guys are gone. I got my urethane. So tomorrow it'll be in there. I'll do that when you guys are gone. That way you won't be. I can't even look at urethane without being black.
You can't look at it without.
So then I'll have all 3 of you black, or
Yeah.
all 3 of us. So
Yeah.
2 of you.
You want me to pull all this out of here so you don't get no black on there?
Maybe. No, I'll mask it all off good.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it wouldn't be bad if you don't mind. Can you pull that overhead?
The overhead console?
Yeah.
Yeah, that deal there just unplugs.
Yeah, if you can pull that overhead console, then I can get that in. Then we can put that in and be in for the last time.
Right. No, it don't just unplug either. Or you can tape it up underneath here though. I've got the windshield wipers all hooked up too.
Can you dangle it?
Yeah, I can do that. Just take screws out the front
Yeah,
and
'cause
just hang on them.
I need to.
Hooks that I make back there.
Yeah, I need to.
And these little
I'll
super
mask
glue
it
right
off.
there.
But yeah, if you can dangle that for me,
Yeah,
I'll get that in.
Get my screw chaser.
That will work.
Yeah.
Then we'll need to. So the bulkheads. We need the bulkheads. We need to run the lines. We need to get our radiator all. So we got the condenser somewhere. Surely we got condensers with all them AC
We got-
units.
Yeah, they'd be in the box over there somewhere.
Yep, and then
Over there, okay.
we got the fan here.
No
Should have a
fan.
in here somewhere.
No fan?
Oh, okay.
There's a fan.
Eddie says we got one somewhere.
Probably
Right.
at the other building.
Okay, so I'll get a fan.
I'm gonna put down my list.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's still quite a bit to do on it. So anyway, looks like a plan. So I'm gonna let you boys be. All right, splish splash.
Yes.
You turn it upside down, swish it around.
Well, how you do it, you put it in the bottom, it says on the can, and then you rotate it every so often. So I've been around it, and now that it says to drain the excess, so that's what we're doing now. I've been all the way around, side stuff, so now it's just, it don't look like much coming out though, does it?
Well, that's a big tank, a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, so,
So pretty much if it leaks now, we're gonna blame you and not Daryl.
yes. Yeah, that's how that works.
You own it, you're the new guy.
I'm the new guy,
So-
so, yeah. So if it leaks, yeah, it's my fault.
So tomorrow, tank in,
Tank in tomorrow.
lines
Yeah,
running.
the sending unit, and yeah, we're good to go.
Good deal, I'm gonna go put a window in.
I can help you do that.
Okay, well, let's do it.
Let's
We're
do
here.
it.
We're not gonna make a mess, right? I'm gonna mask it all off. Eddie dropped it down. He's got it dangling for me, the
Yep.
overhead console. So I'm gonna mask it all off, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the glass in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a roll of tape too, and I can start masking too. We're just gonna mask right to that edge, right?
Yeah.
And then we can peel tape when we're, okay, cool.
You're ready.
I'm ready.
You're the orange guy.
Yeah.
This is Gibby's building his own box. Look at this. I mean, it's coming together though.
Yeah. And remember, this is the box the very first time you and me ever met. This is the
like
box.
me getting rid of my junk.
I lost the handle when I took it apart though, so I had to put one of our knobbers on it.
Nice. Okay, and check this out. This is pretty fancy schmancy.
Oh,
here.
this is my pride
Whoa.
and joy here. And then,
You need to grab some of the diamond plate
yeah.
to make a bottom thing there.
Yeah, that'd
What are you
look
gonna
good.
put there?
Oh, I got these, I found these. I don't know, I think out back, I'm not sure. But if you look,
Ooh.
they'll just barely, I gotta squeeze it apart, but,
Wow.
and put one at the bottom and then one about middle
Where'd you find them
in a dumpster.
Oh, here?
No, behind,
Give me the dumpster dive.
The
Nobody
game
cares
stuff.
about. They care about us fixing this 34. What is it called?
what's that?
What's it called?
Eredacator.
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 Okay, here we go. Eredacator. Eredacator. Look at that. Eredacator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I taped around the back glass, on the body. So we're gonna put urethane in there.
Yep.
I got my glass ready. It's somewhere right over here somewhere.
The one glass is back here, the back window's tinted back here, and then the front one's
I
there.
taped all around here.
Looks like we got a nice bead we're gonna lay in there.
Nice feet, looking good. I'm ready. Urethane everywhere. It's gonna be a mess. Always is. So we're just gonna glue this puppy in.
Yes.
Eddie pulled this down, so hopefully we don't get anything on his headliner or his
Overhead console.
So let's just goop it up.
Let's do it.
Okay. Yes, I got some on my thumb.
Me too. I got some on my
How'd you
fingers.
get it on your forehead and on your nose like that?
Oh, I don't know.
And I got it on the car. Right there. But you can kind of see around the edge here, it's gonna be really clean
Oh yeah.
after I cut it and get it off of the glass. And right now, wax and grease remover works really good, so I'll get the little bit that I got on there off. And there we go, we have a back glass. We have 5-star extreme wax and grease remover. I'm not endorsing this product, but wax and grease remover, there's all different kinds of it. So, but do not use a solvent in the sense of acetone or lacquer thinner or something on the paint. You just don't want to do that. Pretty much same deal on the front. Got it all masked off, got it glued. I'll wipe the inside now. Something that I learned as an apprentice painter, and I will never forget it because I learned it thoroughly. You can see how this tape all overlaps the same direction.
Yes.
So if I start pulling from here, it's going to be underneath and it's going to pull this tape all the way around the car. Where if I go this way and then that way, this way and that way, You'll pull and it'll come off, pull and come off.
Get pieces then.
The pieces. So the painter that I learned under, apprenticed under, if he couldn't stand at one corner of the car and pull off every piece of masking paper because they're all overlapped like that, I heard about it. So it's something I never forgot. So we're gonna finish this up and call it a day because the day's over.
Day's done.
And you stayed, help.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
So we'll get this done and tomorrow I'll move on, but it looks like it's got glass in there. So we'll clean it up and get it ready for tomorrow.